Hey everyone, Callum from the Ayoh Group coming to you once again with another video. We were recently asked by a customer of ours if we could make the data that was in DocuWare available for them to use for reporting purposes elsewhere within the business. This was a solution we were able to deliver. The solution was really simple and I wanted to talk through it today. Let's dive into the system. So first of all, what we have in front of us is a really simple invoice tracker Google Sheet. This Google Sheet shows all of the information for the invoices that we have received into the business. What we want is when a new invoice arrives into DocuWare, we want that invoice to automatically be added to the invoice tracker. If we go to our DocuWare solution, we have an invoice here. If I store the invoice away, pull all of the relevant information from the invoice, including the document number, the document date, and the amounts. If I click store, that invoice is going to be automatically stored into my DocuWare system for me. If I now go back to my tracker, what I will see is that invoice has been added as a new row into my tracker automatically with the status showing as new. Just to show that again, if I come into my DocuWare solution, find an invoice to store away, store that away, pulling the information off of the document. Again now, when I click store, if I go back to my tracker document, we'll see that that new row has automatically been loaded into the sheet as required. Now what we're also able to do with these documents is if I go to my tasks, you can see I've got two invoices awaiting approval. This is the sliced invoices invoice. If I reject this one and click confirm, and then under the rapid transport, if I approve this invoice and click confirm as well. The status of those two invoices is now automatically going to be pushed back to my Google Sheet. If I now go and look at the Google Sheet, what I can see is the status on the rapid transport is awaiting payment, and the status on the sliced invoices is rejected, exactly as was shown from the DocuWare workflow. It's a really simple but incredibly powerful integration between DocuWare and Google Sheets that allows us to do this and opens up the ability to have a whole host of processes and data that we can use for business processes elsewhere within the organization. If this is something of interest to you, if you want to look at how to set this up, please feel free to get in contact. My email address and contact details will be on both the thumbnail, in the descriptions for this email, or feel free to leave a comment. Please also like this video, it does help the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.